Bellos, it's Amanda Freitag here, and I'm showing you how to make a Bellini. It is a classic beverage hailing from Venice, from Harry's Bar in the 1930s and 40s, and we have been drinking it ever since. At brunch, before dinner, just in the summer when you're seaside on the coast of Italia. It is incredibly simple. All you need is Prosecco and peach puree. Now, I'm cheating a little bit here because I have yellow peach puree. It's summer in New York, and I am just grasping the last little bits of summer, so I'm using these peaches, but typically it's made with white peach. So here we go with our Prosecco now. To me, the pop of a bottle of bubbly is the start of something great, always. And this cocktail is fantastic because it's a little bit fruity. I always use a Prosecco that's brut, just meaning that it's a little more dry, because if you get peaches at the right time, they're gonna be very sweet. If you get peaches that are out of season, you can add a little bit of simple syrup to them. Okay, so the trick is turn the bottle, not the cork. Does everybody know that? Turn the bottle, not the cork. Okay, so our Prosecco is open. It's 1 part peach puree to 2-3 parts of Prosecco. You like it a little bit sweeter, go ahead and put more peach. If you like more Prosecco flavor, go a little less of the peach. There's variations. You can add strawberry. You can make this with champagne. It really is just for you to get creative, but this is the base of this classic Venetian aperitif, cocktail. Wonderful way to start a meal, start an afternoon. So just pour in your Prosecco. It just makes me happy already. Look at that. Now you can give it a little stir. Mixologists out there, hold your breath. I like to give it a little stir, but I also like to leave a little bit of peach puree on the bottom. And that just gives you a little surprise when you take that last sip. And that's a lasting, peachy flavor profile. This is Bellini. Salud.